Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure ETFs with BlackRock, complete guide step by step clearly. Secure your ETFs with BlackRock by following these essential steps. Begin by researching the different types of ETFs offered by BlackRock. Visit the BlackRock website to explore their product range. Identify the specific ETFs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Review the performance history and expense ratios of the ETFs you are considering. Understand the underlying assets within each ETF to gauge their risk and return potential. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers access to BlackRock ETFs without high fees. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to prepare for your investment. Use the brokerage platform to search for the BlackRock ETFs you have selected. Place your order to buy the ETFs at the desired quantity. Consider dollar cost averaging as a strategy to minimize market timing risk. Regularly monitor your investment's performance through your brokerage account. Stay informed about any news or changes related to the ETFs you own. Reassess your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives. Consult a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance on your ETF investments. By following these steps, you can confidently secure your ETFs with BlackRock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.